Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. If you guys are new, hi, hola. My name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Today's video is going to be a full face-ish, almost a full face of new makeup. So recently I got an email from SHEIN. If you guys don't know who SHEIN is, they are an online website, but they also have an app. And they sell tons of clothes at affordable prices. I have done a SHEIN haul like a few months back, but they reached out to me and they wanted to see if I was interested in receiving some of their makeup, and I was like, sure, why not? This video is not sponsored by them. They're not paying me to do this video. They just gifted me makeup, and I decided to do a full face because when I saw the products, they looked very promising. So I wanted to test them out on camera with you guys and get my first impression, my first true reaction, and let you guys know if this makeup is worth it. When I saw this makeup, like I said, not only did it look promising, but it also reminded me of some like higher end makeup that I think we can maybe dupe. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is going to be the look that we created, or that we are going to be creating. It is pretty much, it's a very pink, very rose gold look, and I really like how everything came out. And obviously I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts and opinions as I go, what I liked and what I didn't like. So if you guys are ready, make sure you guys sit back, put your feet up, grab your hot Cheetos, put some limon on it, grab your brushes if you guys want to get ready with me, and let's get glam together. So I went ahead and did my primer and foundation off camera. Oh my god, I totally just had a little brain fart. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh my god, the shirt is kind of bugging me because it's like lopsided. Okay, let's go ahead and start digging into the SHEIN makeup. Besides me, like, did anybody else not know that SHEIN had makeup? Because I didn't. So we're gonna dig into the concealer first. So I did only choose one shade. This is the SHEGLAM concealer, creamy concealer in the shade 03 medium. Kind of reminds me of like a Becca and Kylie Cosmetics at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and take that and apply it underneath the eyes. I don't think they have any foundations as of yet, and I don't think they have any primers. I could be wrong. I just don't remember seeing them having any primers. Otherwise, I would have picked one up. Also, the foundation that I use today is a little too light for my skin tone right now. I feel like I'm gradually getting a little bit of a tan. This concealer feels very hydrating underneath the eyes. I can tell you that immediately. Okay, I quickly had to go get my little sponge wet because I forgot that I had to get my sponge wet. We're going to start blending that out, and let's see what kind of coverage this concealer has. Okay, so first impressions, this concealer is definitely full coverage. I would say definitely full coverage, medium to full coverage, but you can definitely, like, if you go crazy like I do with my concealer, you're going to get the most coverage. As you guys can see, my oh my god, my under eyes look very hydrated. Like, this concealer is not mattifying, it's not drying, which I totally love. Now, they don't offer a setting powder, but they do have the Stereo Face 6-color cosmetic, easy to have 3-dimensional contours. Again, this is, so the whole brand is SHEGLAM. This is the contouring palette. When you open it up, it does come with a pretty nice mirror. I haven't taken off the little like film that it comes with. And it comes with 3 shades to set and then 3 shades to contour. So we're going to make it work. I'm not used to setting my under eyes with a powder like this, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going to take my Morphe M554 and I'm going to dig into the shade Vanilla Bourbon, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to set. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Bright Side, which is a lighter shade, just to kind of brighten up underneath my eyes. And then tapping into both of these, and then just pressing it on the center of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, and on the chin, applying that wherever I just applied my concealer. So now let's go back into the same palette, and I'm first going to start off with the shade Chocolate Cake, which is this really pretty, it's like a sienna camel shade. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and bronze up the skin. Oh my gosh, this brush. Do you guys see that? My daughter was playing with my brushes a few days ago. Oh my god, there's so much glitter in that, and now there's glitter all over me. Oh sweet lord. We all know the struggle of glitter. Like, once you have glitter anywhere else besides where you want it, burn your house down and move, because it's not coming off. So taking that color again, and I'm actually going to take a little bit of Tanned Goddess. I actually really like these things. They're really pretty. Okay, right off the bat, I'm not really a fan of the undertone on these bronzers. They're definitely very red, and I like more of an orange undertone bronzer, but that's okay. I am going to switch really quickly to a more dense brush, which is something like this. And I'm going to pick up the middle shade, which is Noble Tint, which is a cool tone color. And I'm going to apply that to the hollows of the cheeks, just right here. The pigment is there and the quality is there. It's really not bad. It's just personal preference. Like, I just like my bronzers to be a little more warm, not so red, a little more orangey. Now let's move on to the blush. So when I got this blush, actually when I was going through their website and I saw these blushes, I was like, I immediately thought of Rihanna. So this is the SHEGLAM 202 Affectionate Coffee Blush. This to me just screams Rihanna, like Rihanna packaging, like the little shape of it, everything. It is white, but if you turn it around, it has like this really pretty holographic sheen on it. And when you open it up, can you guys guess what color did I get? Boom, I got a peach color. Now this one is a very light baby pink peach, and they didn't have a lot of shades to choose from, so I'm just gonna have to work with this one. Hopefully it shows on my little brown biscuit skin, because honey, this looks light. But I'm just going to pack it on to this Real Techniques brush. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, you guys, so far, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I thought these were going to be mainly like a miss, just because when clothing brands launch products that are not clothing, like makeup, sometimes like it's just a hit and miss. But wow, I'm happy with the concealer, I am happy with the bronzer. Besides the shades, not a big fan, but the quality and the pigmentation is really good. This blush is wow, even for me that I'm a little morenita, a little brown biscuit. Like, look at how gorgeous this is showing up on my skin. Now for the highlighter, this one, I'm not so sure how I'm going to feel about it, but I'm not going to knock it yet. So this is also the SHEGLAM Face Palettes powder. This is the Chrome Highlighter in O2 Chic Freak. I'm just going to swirl it around. I love the compact, how pretty it is. And I'm just going to apply that right here. Oh wow, see what I mean? I didn't want to knock it till I tried it. So this does have a very pretty glow. It's not super intense or wet. It's more of a drier formula. But if you build it up, I'm sure you guys can get to the intensity that you personally like. You guys know that I like a pretty blinding highlight. I'm just a little extra like that. It does complement my skin tone very well. So if you guys are my skin tone, if you guys are a medium brown biscuit or even a dark or tan brown biscuit, I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. Time to move on to the palette. Now this one, I am so excited for it, you guys. First of all, again, the packaging. I just have to say that for me, the packaging, like I personally am a sucker for packaging. If something is really pretty, I mean, it's not going to persuade me into buying it. I think it's just more the product and how it looks. But the packaging definitely is very eye appealing and I love it. So this is the SHEGLAM Blossom palette. When you open it up, this is what she looks like. Very pretty. So it does also have a nice mirror on it, which I really appreciate that they added mirrors. This one also really reminds me of like Kylie Jenner. The first shade I'm going to use is Ochre, which is this beautiful rich tan shade. I am praying that these eyeshadows are as good as all of their other makeup so far. The pigment looks really good. And wow. And I'm going to throw that into the crease. I'm going to try to use as many of the colors as I possibly can. So let's dig into the shade May, which is a really pretty, ooh, it's like an auburn red. And I'm going to throw that into the crease. I'm going to clean off that brush and I'm going to pick up a little bit of Camellia, which is that very pretty Barbie pink. And I'm going to kind of like sandwich this in between May and Ochre, just to get a little more pink in there. Wow, this is actually a really pretty Barbie pink color. It's like a bubblegum pink. I'm going to keep the whole pink theme going on, so I am going to take the shade Venus. Now, Venus, if you look at it in one angle, it has like gold reflex, and then when you look at it at a different angle, like it looks pink. So I'm going to see how this works. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see the pigment? Wow. And how beautiful and foiled. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this palette. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I don't have any mascara to share with you guys. I am going to come back and so we're going to pop on these lashes. These are the SHEGLAM 3D eyelashes in 3DG17. I don't know the name. I don't think they have a name, but they are these. They're pretty full and very long. And then we can try on the lipstick and that'll be that. So I only picked up one lipstick, or I only got one lipstick. I don't know why. So this is the SHEGLAM matte lipstick in the shade Ambiguous Beige. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it is a like peachy nude pink. And I'm just going to throw that on the lips. Oh my god. Do you guys see how it just like glides on the lips? Wow. Oh my god, this is such a pretty color. Like this is not something I typically would go for, but I'm kind of living. So what do you guys think of this look? What do you guys think of SHEGLAM makeup? I almost got tongue twisted. Wow, like honestly, I am very impressed, very happy, very satisfied with everything that I tried. The only thing that I was just like, didn't really care for, like I said, is the highlighter, but it's not that it's a bad highlighter. It's just not my personal choice of color for my highlighter. But other than that, oh my god, this eyeshadow palette is stunning. This lipstick, it is so creamy. The color is so beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this almost full face of SHEGLAM SHEIN makeup. This is my first impressions and I am not disappointed. So next time you guys are shopping on the SHEIN website, drop by the makeup section and see what you find and let me know what was your favorite item from this haul. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me so much in the algorithm when you guys give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me today. Stay safe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!